thunderstorm warning for northwestern Appomattox County and central Virginia, northeastern Campbell County and central Virginia, southeastern Amherst County in central Virginia, the city of Lynchburg in central Virginia. 2 p.m. From 2:14 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Lynchburg, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lynchburg, Concord, Rustburg, Madison Heights, Stonewall, This includes the following locations: Liberty University and Lynchburg Airport. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downpours or large winds, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter.
I thought I heard this guy activated.
The radio on hazard station KZZ28, broadcasting from the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia.
Hey, shut up. Well, that was very rude of them. As you can see by this remote I have in my hand, I was playing freaking Wii Sports, you know. That's kind of rude to interrupt me.